YouTube, what's up? JP here. Beautiful wife with me. So we're back on the Celica. I believe this is going to be episode 4. So today is going to be kind of a short video. I think the last video we talked about digging up the old matting off the floorboards of the car. We're trying to see how much rust damage this thing has. So we're going to go ahead and just start yanking that stuff out. Stay tuned. Alright, so with this matting, if it's old and brittle like mine is, you can actually get away with just kind of tapping it, chiseling it away. It'll come away in pieces here. If not, get yourself a chisel. You can get underneath it, and you can just go ahead and start to chisel it away, just like that. So, alright, we're going to see how much rust this baby has. You guys can see here, this, I'm sure if you can see that in the camera, there you go. This is rotted bare wires that was under this tar here, so completely corroded, shorted to ground. Starting to make progress. She's got this passenger side. It's looking pretty good. Nothing's broken through yet. However, the driver's side, we got some pretty good rust. It's all the way through here. Definitely gonna have to fix these floor pans. It just crumbles. So we'll keep working away. So the passenger rear floor pan looks good, no rust. Starting up here, she's on the front here. We got rust through on the front passenger floor pan. Go around to the other side. As I mentioned earlier, we had rust right here on the seam. Started to get the front floor pan done. We got rust here. Rust here, all the way through. Looks like these corners are going to be pretty rusted, so definitely going to need some floor pans in here, or at least some patchwork. Well, here you guys go. That's what some bad rust looks like. The gas pedal bracket is completely gone, rotted all the way through. that little square is this. It just goes in there. So this side's not too bad. A lot of rust near the plug there, but that's about it. Guys, so the final passenger floorboard got some thick rust there, but I don't think it's broke all the way through. Oh yeah, it is down here on the front side. The tunnel looks good. The driver's side rear bucket, there's no rust there, so we just got this side left. Some ancillary stuff in the trunk, we won't bore you with that. Guys, there you have it. Final bucket cleaned out, no rust in there. That's good. So it looks like we're just probably going to end up changing, if we can find 4 panels, possibly the kicker panel. If not, we're just going to have to make some patch panels with some dimple dies.
Hey guys, that is it for this episode. Stay tuned for the next episode, because that's where we're going to remove the transmission and the engine.